With Virbo AI, creating AI hugging videos is as simple as uploading a photo and writing a prompt. Let's dive in and see how you can transform a static photo into a video that's sure to impress. Start by heading to the Virbo web app using the link in the description. With 2 minutes of free credits, you can jump right into exploring what Virbo has to offer. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice its sleek and easy to navigate interface, freshly updated for an even better user experience. Hover over the avatar video option and click Create Video, select your preferred aspect ratio, and then hit Create to begin. The redesigned interface in Virbo AI video editing puts all the tools you need right at your fingertips. On the left, you'll find different useful tabs, but the standout feature here is the all-new AI Generation tab. Under the AI Generation tab, you'll see two main features: AI Audio Generation and AI Video Generation. For today's video, we will be using AI Video. This feature uses Virbo's powerful image-to-video model to convert still images into animated AI videos. To create a specific AI hugging video, start by uploading an image featuring two people you'd like to animate into a hug. If you do not have a single photo with both individuals, you can easily merge two separate photos into one using tools like Pine Tools. It's quick and straightforward. Once your merged image is ready, upload it to Virbo and type your desired prompt. Use something like, "Make the two people in the picture hug each other." Hit the generate button, and in just a few minutes, your lifelike AI hugging video will be ready to share. See how easy it is to turn a simple photo into a video? Now, it's your turn to bring your images to life with Virbo AI. Give it a go, and if you love the magic, don't forget to hug that like button and let the subscribe button feel the love too. I will see you in the next one.